Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Are pesky pigeons and annoying flies ruining your outdoor oasis? Well, today I'm going to share a clever and eco-friendly hack using something you probably have lying around: old CDs. All you need are some old CDs and a bit of string or thread. It's that simple. Let's get started. First, grab your CDs and cut some lengths of string. You can hang these shiny discs in front of doors, around windows, or anywhere in your garden. Just tie them up so they can move freely. When the sunlight hits them, they reflect light in all directions, creating a dazzling effect that animals just can't stand. Pigeons, flies, and other unwanted guests will find these shiny, moving reflections intimidating and steer clear of your space. Not only is this an inexpensive solution, but it's also a fantastic way to repurpose those old CDs. Plus, it's completely harmless to the animals. Look at the difference. By placing these reflective CDs in strategic spots, you're creating a barrier that keeps your home pest-free. So, there you have it. A simple, effective, and creative way to deter pesky animals using items you already have at home. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own DIY hacks in the comments below. Happy gardening!